Hello, my beautiful people, my friends. How's it going? I hope you're having a lovely day. It's been a while since I posted a video. I was just super busy with real life and stuff, and so I'm really excited to jump on this wonderful video for you guys. And I hope you really watched my last video, which was all about say this one specific word, and this will happen and manifest your reality, your life. And it was more of an Abraham Hicks video. Wasn't really Neville Goddard. We kind of took a little bit of a little breaksy on that, and we're gonna go back to manifesting your specific person because you guys really enjoy that kind of style of content. I love everything about manifestation, but with basically with love and money is like the huge things right now. And when it comes to what you're really looking for in terms of success to manifest your dreams to be more fulfilled in your life, and so I 100% get that. And so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a Neville Goddard technique, and it's called I Remember When. And this method, I don't think I've ever used on my channel before, but it's a beautiful technique to shift your mindset from longing to fulfillment. And so, although you want someone to be absolutely obsessed with you, I think the real message and the feelings you actually want isn't so much obsession, that's the word you're currently using, but it's more like getting your specific person to be absolutely in love with you, to love everything about you, to be around you all the time, to think about you, to text you all the time, to call you, to really put that extra effort in. But it's sometimes obsession and being obsessed. I use that in my titles, but it's more like what you guys are searching, that I can kind of get me in front of you. And but I think the overall tone of being obsessed is what you're really trying to get at, is more being absolutely loved by your specific person, and how do you manifest your specific person this way. And before we really jump into this kind of method, I just want to state that, and I think maybe I figured out a way to maybe better explain manifestation, because I know that, because I read your guys' comments, that you kind of maybe not believe in law of attraction or manifestation, and how it's some sort of like airy fairy BS stuff that if I just imagine something, it's just when I open up my eyes, it's just not there, or if I open up my eyes, it's just going to be there, just out of nowhere, and so a lot of people maybe have a hard time with manifestation. But if you kind of change your wording about manifest to creation, but also have maybe more of an intention behind the creation. So if you're intending and you make it the decision that you want to manifest a specific person, you're going to do everything in your power to do that. And so I really like that way of going about manifestation. It's more of a decision, because when you manifest something, it's kind of like you think about it. It's something that brings you happiness and joy most times when it comes to manifestation, because you can manifest good or bad things. But when people are searching about manifestation, they're always coming from a place of wanting to do better for themselves. They want to have some self-improvement. And I think that when you think about something that you really want, it makes you happiness and joy. You can picture yourself seeing it, but now you have to decide on it. It's more of a decision that you're going to do. You're not going to go back on your word, because I think that the reason why a lot of you don't get what you want in your life is because of you first initially decide, but then you have contradiction thoughts afterwards, and then you're not getting what you want because you are having second thoughts, you have doubts, you have fears, you have all this negative emotion around it now that's like preventing you from getting it. And so with this technique, it is going to be followed and coupled with a wonderful visualization exercise. It's a very quick exercise, and it's going to get you in the mode of shifting your mindset from longing fulfillment, like I said. And we're going to be focused on creating a lot of self-love, a lot of tapping to manic energy, really being like you are the best version of yourself already, and really acknowledging you and your worth. Because if you acknowledge you and your worth, and you're absolutely in love with yourself, and you are making the right decisions, that you are going after your dreams, your specific person is going to come out of nowhere, in a sense, because that person wants to fall in love with everything about you, not just half of you or parts of you. They want to fall with everything about you, but we really have to love everything about ourselves first before that person will fall in love with you. So you have to do the inner work first before the other person will fall in love with you. And so before we jump right into this fun visualization exercise, I just want to remind you that I have 2 free gifts for y'all. So I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide that will highlight 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, as well as an exclusive Manifest Your Specific Person meditation audio that you won't find on my YouTube channel. So if you're really interested in any of those 2 free gifts that will really help you out with your manifestations, just click link down below, and also follow me on my other social medias. I sincerely appreciate it. And without further ado, let's jump right into this visualization where we're going to be using the I remember when technique. Now, I want you to find a comfortable space, take a few deep breaths, and close your eyes. Imagine yourself in a serene place surrounded by a warm golden light. This light represents the energy of love, acceptance, and positive transformation. As you stand in this radiant light, imagine the specific person you want to connect with. See them standing before you, bathed in the same warm glow. Picture the space around you filled with a gentle and harmonious energy. Engage your senses in recalling a specific moment you shared with this person, a moment filled with laughter, joy, and genuine connection. Picture the scene vividly, the colors, the sounds, and the emotions. Feel the warmth in your heart as you relive this beautiful memory. Now, bring forth the awareness that this moment is not just a memory, but a living reality. In your mind's eye, say to yourself, I remember we shared this incredible connection. I remember when our hearts were open and our souls danced together in perfect harmony. As you continue this visualization, shift to another memory, one where you felt deep understanding and mutual respect. Picture the scene vividly, bringing forth the sensations and emotions associated with this shared connection. Let the love flow effortlessly between you, reinforcing the belief that these moments are the foundation for a lasting, loving connection. Now, shift your focus inward. See yourself surrounded by the same warm golden light. Acknowledge your own worth, beauty, and uniqueness. Feel a profound sense of self-love and acceptance radiating from within. Say to yourself, I remember when I doubted my worth, and now I remember when I embraced my beauty and my uniqueness. I remember when self-love felt distant, and now I remember when it flows effortlessly from within. Understand that healthy relationships start with the foundation of self-love. Embrace the truth that you are deserving of love, respect, and joy. See this self-love as a magnetic force, drawing positive connections into your life. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take a moment to breathe deeply, holding on to the positive energy you accumulated in this visualization. By embracing the I remember when technique, you are setting the stage for a transformation, both within yourself and in your connections with others. Now you can open your eyes. What do you think? How do you feel right now? You should feel such happiness, joy, exciting energy. You should feel very empowered. You should feel like you can take on the world now that you have now acknowledged your worth. And it's very important. And I remember when I would be so caught up in trying to manifest my dreams or manifest something I really wanted, and I kind of would put myself down. I wouldn't really acknowledge all the wonderful qualities about me, and I actually disconnected from magnetic energy, which is when you are magnetic energy, you're living your authentic self. You love everything about you're strong in your convictions. You don't care what anyone else frickin' thinks about you, And I think that it's very important when it comes to manifesting your civic person that you shower yourself with love and joy and laughter and really loving everything about yourself, because once you do that, you're now in alignment with manifesting your partner, manifesting your civic person, because you won't really be in alignment, or if you're and the thing is that that special person won't come into your life if you don't really love everything about yourself. People will come into your life, other relationships will come, but they won't be the one that you're really exactly looking for, because you haven't really fully acknowledged everything about yourself that makes you so wonderful and awesome, and that you just feel so special because you are one of the million, you are one of a kind, and you really need to recognize that. And once you recognize that, the universe is a mirror, right? So it will reflect that positive energy back to you, and you'll be in alignment with your civic person because you intended it. You intended on, and you made a decision that you are going to acknowledge your self-worth, and that when you decide on really empowering yourself, you're going to be able to attract your civic person. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction or manifestation, please let me know in the comment section down below. I want to hear what your SP is saying to you. I'm really, really excited. Also, reminder, I do have those 2 free gifts for y'all. The manifestation cheat sheet guide, as well as the exclusive meditation audio. So if you're interested in that, just click the link down below and follow me on my social medias. And until next time, I'll see you everyone in the next video. Bye!